Hey viewer, in this video we will talk about how to detox and cleanse your lungs naturally. If your lungs are overworked or damaged by smoking, illness, allergies, or just being around air pollution in the environment, you can take specific steps to cleanse your lungs. Keeping your lungs clean, clear, and healthy will give you a greater connection to your vital life force. Who needs a lung cleanse? A lung cleanse can help anyone, since we all live in a world full of harmful chemicals, toxins, and irritants which can exert constant stress upon the lungs, but they are particularly effective for certain individuals. Whether you want to improve your lung function, or you want to kickstart a new smoke-free life, a lung cleanse is a great start on the path to a healthy lifestyle. What is a lung cleanse? A lung cleanse is a natural procedure designed to detoxify, cleanse, and refresh the delicate respiratory linings of the bronchial passages and lungs by purging them of accumulated environmental toxins, harmful organisms, and irritants. You can also help cleanse and strengthen the lungs with deep breathing exercises, massage, or certain herbs and oils with healing properties. Keep watching until the end to find out 8 ways to detox and cleanse your lungs. 1. Consume antioxidant-rich foods. Eating a healthy diet in general can improve the strength of your lungs, and foods that are high in antioxidants are especially beneficial. Antioxidants have been shown to enhance lung capacity and improve the quality of breathing in patients. Blueberries, broccoli, spinach, grapes, sweet potatoes, green tea, and fish in particularly are high in antioxidants. 2. Spend more time outside. Getting plenty of fresh air can help expand the tissues in your lungs and keep them working properly. Check the pollution forecasts in your area. Avoid exercising outside when pollution numbers are high, and stay away from burning trash, burning wood, or other types of smoke. If you're concerned about pollution or you live in an area with heavy pollutants, you could wear an air filter mask. 3. Deep breathing exercises. You can increase the amount of oxygen that gets to your lung by regularly engaging in deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing helps aerate the lungs, bringing more oxygen and promoting healing. Taking long, slow, deep breaths not only brings more oxygen into the lungs, but it also helps oxygenated blood to spread out through the body. This technique has the bonus of helping you relax. 4. Stop smoking. Smoking tobacco is one of the leading causes of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Smoking can also cause emphysema and lung cancer. The toxins from cigarettes can cause damaging inflammation in the bronchus, making it difficult to breathe. To protect your lungs, do not use smokeless tobacco products such as chewing tobacco or snuff. These increase your risk of mouth cancer, as well as gum disease, tooth decay, and pancreatic cancer. E-cigarettes may also be dangerous to your lung health. New studies have found that some companies use a flavoring in e-cigarettes which comes from a toxic chemical called diacetyl. This chemical has been linked to constrictive bronchiolitis, a rare and life-threatening form of non-reversible obstructive lung disease in which the bronchioles are compressed and narrowed by scar tissue and/or inflammation. To detox your lungs, don't use any kind of smoking or tobacco product. 5. Get an air purifier. Start cleansing your lungs by improving the quality of the air in your home. You can purchase an air purifier that can be placed in individual rooms. You can also invest in a household-wide purifier. 6. Exercise. Regular exercise will help keep your lungs working to their strongest capacity. You should aim for either, at least 30 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, like walking, swimming or golf, 4 to 5 times a week. Or at least 25 minutes of vigorous aerobic activity like jogging, running, biking or playing basketball, at least 3 days per week. 7. Change your house filters. Along with getting an air purifier, you should change all of the filters in your home and clean all of the vents, such as those in the bathroom or your air conditioning or heating vents. Be sure to replace your furnace filter every 6 months, too. 8. Ginger. You can also use ginger to detoxify your lungs. It contains several chemical compounds that help the lungs function more effectively by eliminating air pollutants from the air passages before they irritate the lungs. It also improves blood circulation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share and make sure to subscribe Health Tutor because more incredible content on the way.